What's up, good people? Got to Today Trades. I'm Christopher. Back live trading the Nasdaq future with you guys. So we got about 5 minutes till the bell opens, and as you can see, we're gonna open up between yesterday's high and low. So we are in value for the day. So we'll expect some muted moves. I'm expecting, if you can see, it's the end of the week, Friday. Yesterday we put in a high, and we haven't been able to break that high. It's the first time all week we haven't been able to break that high. And with quad witching coming up next week, I don't expect us to be running today, but you guys know how it is. We will play longs above this gray EMA, longs above 19.6, longs above yesterday's high, pre-market high, shorts below this gray, shorts on a rejection of 19.6, shorts below pre-market low, which is down here at 19.5. We'll just let the market tell us what they want us to do, what they want to do. We'll follow. That's all we're looking to do. Yeah, next week, not next week is the last week of this contract, so I would expect a lot of people to be settling out these contracts and move on to the next contract. Volume will probably be dry, so we will probably get a pullback next week into the following week. Right up out of water. 2 minutes to the bell. 2 minutes left before the bell. Back like a spoiler. The way they oughta carry on. 62. 75. But we got this money ain't coming. I get it day and night. I'm the shit. 106. 137. I got my cash right. Fuck up. So the long trend is up. The most recent trend is down as of the last couple of days. Literally yesterday and today. As you walk till you get on my flight up in the way. Everywhere that we go, everywhere that we go. Ooh-oh. Right. We are open, guys. This is last week's 161. Very. Rejecting that yesterday's mid. Let's see how we do off this grade. Remember, we want to take it slow early. Guap in my hands, guap in my pants. Bouncing off that gray. Pushing. We are in an uptrend since about 7. That could just be the uptrend that gets us to 19.6, just so we can continue this downtrend. So if we don't break this trend line up here, where it's all bearish until we break that trend line up there. Freaks in the stands trying to freak on your man. I'ma throw him. We don't know him, just saw him. I'm just sitting on my hands, guys, just waiting to see what they actually want to do with this stock today. I mean, with the market today. I would love to see us running to the end of the week, but I don't think that's what's going to happen. You never know. Looks like early on the Bulls don't want to give it up, so that don't mean they ain't gonna do it. Still very early. She graduated. Standing in ovation when she got that ass up. Pushing. And the Bulls just have a lot of levels to push through before they're free. They got to get through yesterday's pop, yesterday's mid, this most importantly this whole dollar number, yesterday's close. Then they can start making a way up here to the highs. But as far as continue to go low, all they got to do is get a good batch of sellers to come in at that whole dollar number right there, 19.6. And they basically going straight through this. This is all they got is this and yesterday's low, which is the same thing. Yesterday's low, pre-market low. But we'll see what happens though. break his stand. We're making this move to 19.6. Let's see how they react. We got last week's 161 fib, extension fib. This is something new I'm trying out. I don't have any stats on it or anything, any uh, true feelings about it yet. I'm just seeing how it works. It does seem to be somewhat a. It's been using this level as support and resistance all week. Seems like sellers come in above it. What? What? What's this gangsters? Let's see how they react when they get to that yesterday's close, the yellow line right here. We gotta get to 19.6 till I fucking die. What do you do to his voice to make it sound so deep? Okay, then. Crazy. You gonna blame me? Pimped up and hold down. Alright, 19.6 has been touched. Let's see how they react here. Looks like we got some sellers up there at 19.6. Can we run through them? I don't think we run right through them anyway. If we're gonna go through this wall right here, we're gonna trap them first. So we're gonna let them feel like they winning. We're gonna let people pile in because they see that the sellers are up there. We may even let them. Get it if we're trying to go up. Like if we're trying to go down, we're already starting over, which is letting the bulls win. But you wanna trap the other side. So if you wanna go up, you gotta trap shorts. If you wanna go down, you gotta trap longs. So if I was a market maker or somebody who's manipulating this, I would do exactly what they're doing right now. Show them that they're sellers at 19.6. Show them that they're reactive at 19.6. Let people start to pile in short. Might even give 10, 15 minutes of being up in a position but whole time still making higher lows before finally blowing off that top, running through probably yesterday's close where everybody's stop is. But if I was trying to go, if we wanted to go short on this, which they probably want to get these last 475 calls off on the Qs. Qs are at 476.88 right now, 89. So the 475 call sellers probably want to get price below 475 by the end of the day. We'll see. But if I was trying to make price go down, I would push into the bell like I have now. Let the Bulls feel like they're winning for the first 15 minutes, and then once we get up here, start really selling on it, goofy ass, and push price below low day, push price below pre-market low. You know it's gonna be some stops coming in on those levels. So let's see what they do. Got 3 minutes to the next 15-minute candle. I would expect the shorts to start winning in this next 15-minute candle. Like I said, to help. You don't really want to instantly let them know which way you're going, but you got to confuse them a little bit. You got to let both sides win, so both sides step in, so that you can stop one side out. It's extra fuel. Because it's not that easy to guarantee that you'll have extra buyers to push your price up or extra sellers to push price down, unless you have forced buyers and forced sellers, motivated buyers and sellers, if you will. When you underwater on your position, you're a very motivated buyer or seller when you're trying to get up out that motherfucking position. Yeah. Long snaps and frame kicks, divine intervention. I was put in the change shit. My motherfucker got straight up on the same fit. Been rocking it for days now, and willing to the pace now. See, there's a winner or winner for second place now. Yeah, that's what I think, so I handle my business. Confidentiality. So it's coming in right off 19.6. Right moves, make sure the left hand don't know. Words from a wiser predecessor never let up. I know how to spot a fool because he never shut up. Speaking you don't know. You know what you don't speak it. On the speaker. Catcomb. I'm gonna let this next candle open and probably let most of the trade, like a third of most of the 5-minute candle trade before I take a trade. But if I was a betting man, I would be betting short. It's everywhere we go. Polo party. Are we gonna make that swipe for 607? Looks like it. I let it breathe. Medically. Buy or bark. Buy or spark. That's gangster. Alright, we're touching yesterday's close. Let's see if the sellers come in up here. Cruise right by ya. Ask me if I supply, I say no. It's everywhere we go. That's my hair group right there. Hair juice, you know what I'm saying? Texturize, you know what I'm saying? So I can get these tight curls, you know what I'm saying? Don't faint. Does not look like they are selling yet. Damn, actually looks like they just dropped whatever shorts were at 19.6. There go a couple sellers. No. One time. 2 times for the lady. 3 times for the bitch. Motherfucking system. Motherfuck you. I'm just living how I'm living. With the Ciroc vanity. More loans to Sherlock vanity. The roll through. Okay, so we above yesterday's close. Where are the sellers? Alright, if I was a seller, this would be the time I would step up. Nice to go. Sneak in the bitch of Bohemian Grove. 1 time for the women. 2 times for the ladies. For the bitches. You, I'm just. Let's see, do we got any news today? I know we got something, but I don't even know. Fed monetary policy report at 11. So that's like an hour. I see it. One at Brazil, 0.41% from pre-market high, open to pre-market high. Give me the sex. Should never leave me alone. Shit, I swear I smoked like 40 minutes ago, and this is go. Pushing still. I don't see no sellers yet. Not heavy. Got all day though. Got all day to take profits, y'all. That's all selling is anyway, most of the time. There's profit taking, so. Remember, you buy to sell. So. Look at my floating away. Yeah, this is probably a good time to short if you're going to short. You might get trapped though. Paper currency. Rolling up this dough. It's fucking Friday, y'all. Yeah, speaking to the one person who actually showed up and stayed for a minute and a half. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Uh-uh. Get it from me. Like I said, I would not mind them pushing all the way into the end of it. Come on, man. I got money up there. So I got swings on. So if we go up, that's good for me. Let's see how we react at 650. That's the major trend. Well, not the major trend. That's the recent trend. When she called, when she called, when she called. They just pushing, man. That's my fact, cause it's shaky. Yeah. You say he'll turn a 1 to a 2 for you. I play with him. Back up flipping. You heard? Give me all the way up, kid. I need to get up, kid. Oh, yeah. Say it like you mean it. Golden cross happening on the gray and the blue EMAs. That's the 9 and the 20, I believe. Yeah, 9 20. 66. Oh, wow. Oh. Now we're just waiting for him to get to 650. Look like they're trying to slow up a little early, but every time I say that, I've said that straight wrong. So last 5 minutes of this 15 now. So I would say they were trapping shorts, but there wasn't that many shorts. I mean, you had maybe 5 minutes of shorts right here. Man, that's probably what that was. Just stop running on now. It's crazy. Let's see if they run that same play again. Into the 15-minute candle, sellers start coming in. Some people taking profit, some people going short. New 15-minute candle open. Stop them out. Maybe that's how they get it to 650. For sure looks like some sellers stepping up right here, right now. And I mean, with the golden cross happening, it would be a perfect time for a pullback. Golden cross, golden cross, you usually see a pullback just as it crosses, gives you a chance to get in. Ooh, I've been searching for your love, and ooh, I all I wanna hear from ya. Ooh, I, ooh, I, ooh, I. For me, all me. No time of day. Ooh, I've been searching for your love. Too many stuff in this 15-minute candle. Look like we're trying to push. And maybe they're trapping longs this time. Ooh, I, ooh, I. Oh, I searching for your love. Ooh, I it is all I want to hear from you. Ooh, we're looking to trade 75, 106, or 137% of the average true range here. So 75 would be my first take profit. 100 would be my second. 137 would be my last and final. If I was to take a last, ooh, what's that 10 o'clock volume? Market makers trying to get their moves off, trying to get their deals made. There you go. Which way y'all gonna go? My bad. Yeah, there go that pullback. So we going 19.6 or sub 19.6. See if the buyers are still down there. Market makers are initializing their position for the day. Let's see they're if they're being tasked to buy or sell. Look at that pull pushed right into that trend line. To manufacture. Let's see if the sellers are still back up here. Ain't nobody loved a woman like Lenny Williams, man. Sellers are still up there. Girl, you know no matter what you do. That's a crazy statement. Not really. You can love somebody from a distance. No matter what you do, I still love you. I got to get a photo of him. Mm-hmm. Alright, I'm gonna take a piss. I'll be right back. Casa. See, headed for that 19.6. See if we can get a reset of buyers of 19.6 or if we're just doomed to go down today. But I don't really think we're doomed to go down today though with this early price action. But that will all be determined at 19.6 when either buyers step up or sellers. Wow, what's your next week? Makes me feel so good. Oh, baby. Oh, there's a rebalancing in the NXLK. 6% despite being only slightly behind the 2 years in market cap. Yeah. They gotta rebalance and get back in and get in the video. Did they have to do it now? CNBC put their shit behind the paywall, so I don't know. Let me see. There must be a way to see this. It seems that I call her on the phone and I just can't get an answer. And then I went to her house and I saw her car parked in the driveway. I knocked on the door, but still my knocks were not answered. And then I went home and he went home. He watched TV until TV went off. Come on. And finally I went to bed, but I found myself waking up a few hours later. Lenny, you just ought to forget about it. And maybe you never felt the things that I felt. You get lonely. You get lonely. Oh, come on. Cry, oh, 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 oh. Come on, man. Lift it up. Wells of my eyes. Here we go. I found it on Yahoo Finance. According to the technology select sector, Spider ETF XLK has led to a $21 billion trade showdown. The ETF's concentration limits have caused discrepancies between Microsoft, Apple, and Nvidia weights. If Nvidia becomes the second largest company, a major ETF rebalance will trigger significant trades. So if they become the second largest company, let's see about market cap right now. They're very close to Apple. I think they're still 3. Yeah, they're still 3. Microsoft's 1. Yeah, Microsoft is 1. Apple's 2. Nvidia's number 3. A quirk of a $67 billion technology ETF has created a $21 billion showdown between Apple and Nvidia that's set to be decided on Friday. Ooh. At issue is the massive concentration within the technology ETF because of concentration limits back in the sum of companies with a weight above 4.8 cannot exceed 50% of the holdings. Whatever the fuck. Due to the massive size of Apple and Microsoft, that limit has consistently been reached over the past 2 years, which results in the smallest company with a weight above 4.8 being knocked back down to a 4.5. There we go. Now we got to pull back. That's the pullback we were really looking for. Finally touched 19.6 again. That was a crazy move back down to 19.6 though, because we had moved all the way back up to 19.6. Like, what's that, 20? 30 at least? Yeah, 30. So there are buyers down there, but they kind of just trapped a few of them. Let's see if they stop. That's why there's a massive discrepancy between the weights of Microsoft and Nvidia within the XLK ETF, even though Microsoft market valuation is only 240 billion more, or roughly 8% larger. Microsoft currently has a 22% weight, Apple a 21%, and Nvidia a 5%. But if Nvidia can reclaim its spot as the world's second largest company by the end of this week, the ETF could undergo a massive shakeup when it rebalances later this month. Ha! I wonder why they have to get up there today, though. Nvidia takes the second spot. Its weight within that will soar more than 20%, while Apple's weight would plunge. Damn, for Apple. That swap could create a $10 billion trade to buy Nvidia and about an $11 billion trade to sell Apple. Ooh, that's nasty. The concentration limits imposed by the ETF have weighed down the fund's performance amid Nvidia's meteoric rise over the past year and a half. Damn. While Nvidia has just under a 6% weighting in the ETF, its weight in the S&P 500 Information Technology Index is at 21, which has led the ETF to underperform more recently. As of Wednesday morning, Nvidia needs to gain about $200 billion in market cap to become the second biggest company in the world. If it can reach that milestone by Friday, it will spark a $21 billion trade. Rebalance, shuffle. 20 billion ain't shit for the video, but I don't think that's happening today. Even though Nvidia is pushing up and Apple is falling. How much is 3 million? 3 trillion? 3 million. That's crazy. Yeah, I love the gray. I'm gonna be looking for a long somewhere in here. Come on. It's a $40 billion difference between Apple and Nvidia right now. Ooh, that's exciting. Alright, I'm looking to get long right about here, guys. Only about 15 minutes left in this stream. 15 minutes left. So even if I do get long, y'all ain't gonna know if I win or not. Unless y'all come back or check the charts. Now if that golden cross is still, there, still on that, we should see some buyers step up. We got the pull back to it, the retest of it. 1 minute till this next candle opens. 10 days. Are you serious? Fuck it then. Look at that bitch. That bitch instantly started pushing. I'm finna draw this and it's gonna get broken immediately. And then this one's gonna get broken right after. And or the other way around. Bitch, I've been on time now, working in the crime and sleeping in the crime house. Ow. Ouch. You know what I mean. Tapes trying to get my fucking lines out. So please don't take my dickhead, you. There go some buyers. I need more. Get us back above that close, back above yesterday's VAH. Va, if you will. Fuck you. Nigga. Fuck you talking about, nigga. Fuck you talking about. Fuck you talking about. Nigga. Fuck you talking about. Buyers pushing. Looks like that golden cross is trying to be validated. Very much in value today though, so it might be like we literally might trade between this range all day. They run faster than Tink Tink. Why he's such an asshole? I stab you with a screwdriver. That shit ain't even rhyme, nigga. I'm fucked up on my mind, nigga. I stay right off the nine, nigga. I really try to find niggas. 19.3. We can go back down to 19.3 between the next couple weeks. We can go lower, obviously. But with apparently rebalancing and quad witching, futures expiring, options expiring, something else expires too. There's three things I believe that expire at the same time, 4 times a year, and that time is like next week, the week after. Yeah, next week is the last week. Next week is the week all the shit expires. And then the next week is when all the new ones open. And it's off to the races again. Oh, I'm sexy. Look at those arms, cuz. I gotta work out again today. I gotta work out today. Again. I gotta work out today. to complete the sexiness for a week. Come on, man. Are we going through this trend line? Place your bets, guys. Place your bets. We haven't gotten to that 75 mark. 75% of the daily true range traded. We haven't. Average true range, I mean. Listening to Dilla. This ugly ass respecting this trend line shit has got to stop. Okay? Go right through this and go to the other one. Nah, you don't want to? Okay, I get it. You do what you want. Who's in churches? In verses, everything's good. 10 o'clock candle was red, though. That don't mean nothing, though. Because market makers start deploying capital between 10 and 11. So it's really the direction that they make over the next hour, which I'm going to be gone and be working out and shit, but that'll let us know which way they want to go for the day. Then it feels good to be a gangster, and it feels good to me to think, yeah, see? I knew one of these was going to get broken as soon as I drew it. It's not quite broken yet, though. It's trying to get broke, though. Like your bitch back. Had to do it. Had to do it, sir. Had to do it. There goes a break. Now this is the most important trend line yet again. We are back at it. Everything's good. Oh man, now let me do the math. Hold on. 0.75 times 253, 189. I'm gonna be 189 would bring us, so 75% of the average true range would be here. Yesterday's after hours high, basically 19.7. And that's if we can continue pushing higher. And then we got 1.6, 268. Which I don't think we get, but 268 would be somewhere up here, about 750. And then we got the 137, which would be a what is that? 137 times 253, 346 point move. 340 point move because this is 1.6 now. 2. Yeah, this would be the full range. And yep, this would be, so anywhere in this is one standard deviation range expansion for the day. All up in here, so 150 point move. Price has to keep pushing though. Price has to break, at least break this this trend line to get that. Uh-oh. Trying. Only touched it. Oh, I'm good. Bitch. 6 minutes left in this candle. Let's see if we can close above that trend, man. I wonder, do the market makers buy and sell like the same? Will the same market maker, like the same, literally the same person, make the market for both, for on both sides? Probably. Yeah, because they're just matching up buyers and sellers. So if they got 100 billion, they got a billion of buy orders and a 1.5 billion of sell orders. They probably match the billion up right away, as efficiently as possible. Sellers coming in off that trend line. Got some divergence on the volume. Making a higher high here, making a lower high here. Actually, yeah, even here. Down, down, up, up, yeah. Jesus. That was she meant to. Draco season. Ooh. Oh shit. They're getting closer. Video and Apple are within like 10,000 million. Is that 10 billion of each other? But I guess what's 11 billion to a $3 trillion market cap? I probably just eaten up in a day. I just fucked on your bitch. She gonna suck on my. Hmm. Thanks. Need some of the shorts that were short down here. Some of these shorts to start covering for us to push back up. But you left your mind in that. Dick right. Ugh. This how y'all wanna close this candle out? Nasty ass wick right off the trend line like that. Y'all finna get dirty disgusting on? Are y'all finna get dirty disgusting on? Disrespectful, you know what I'm saying? Like, what the fuck? I'm doing X. Alright, y'all, we gonna wrap up this stream. I gotta go work out. They had another decent day in trading. Uh, up a couple R today. But yeah, we about to close this stream out within the next probably 30 seconds. You know what I'm saying? Probably right now. So holla at your boy. Tell him what they said. Tell him where he at. I'm right here. Tell him where you are. I'm over there. Peace.